Right about now, I'm inside the very best studio Airbnb apartment in the whole of Nakuru city, probably in the whole of Kenya actually. All right, we're talking orthopedic mattress. We're talking elegance. Look at the black and golden themes around this home. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about a workstation right here. Look at the seat here, black and golden again. We're talking about QLED 50-inch TV. We're talking about a Hisense, all right, sound system. We're talking about views from inside this unit located at JJ Plaza, free area Nakuru. Talking about views of the highway, views of Lake Nakuru, panoramic views for that matter. Look at the kitchen on this other end, guys. We're talking black cabinetry. We're talking marble worktops right here. We're talking about induction cookers here. Look at that. 4-burner. The oven right there to warm your meals. We're talking about smart kitchen hoods. Not just any kitchen hood. Look at this one here. That's what you're talking about. Look at the cutlery, guys. Again, pure elegance. Talking about white with golden touch. Oh, boy. On the other end, the silver and black, cutlery pale. And then look at the sink here. We're talking about premium finishes and furnishings in this very studio apartment. Look, guys, we're talking about smart locks. Look at this. Black, white, and golden. That's the theme of this Airbnb. Pure elegance. In fact, this is not even a house tour review. This is a script for a rap video music. Let me show you the bathroom. Look at that. Look at the toilet seat itself. Again, black with a touch of golden. The buttons are golden. The toilet seat itself, black. Look here. The sink. There it is again. Black, touch of golden. Boy, look at the touch mirror on the other end, pale. I told you guys, this is the very best designed studio apartment in Nakuru, in Kenya for that matter. If there is any other out there ambao unajua, boy, just drop a comment in this video with a photo of that apartment. And by the way, you get all of this elegance for 2,500 Kenya shillings only. Boy, the best value Airbnb studio apartment. All right, come this side. We're talking about this sliding aluminum, doors here for the bath. Okay? And then look at the faucets. Again, black with a touch of golden. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Pure elegance in this Airbnb studio apartment in Nakuru city. What have I not talked about? Look, even on the walls there, the wall mountings, pale mnaona, the lightings, kule candle. Look at that. That's a light, by the way. Okay, with some decoration on it. Gypsum. Who gives you a chandelier inside a studio apartment? Look at that chandelier. Who gives you that? These are things you find in those high-end homes and apartments for sale, mega mansions, but you have them right here in this studio. Then you have got a mirror here, beautiful pattern for that matter, and then a white themed cabinetry right there for your items. And then of course, you have got this, what do you call this? Your dining table. If you're one person, well, hii imekutosha. If you come as a couple, then you can always take this seat of the workstation, weke hapa, and you enjoy your meal. Now, let me tell you, this is just a tin for the sugar, but even the tin itself, just look at this, is not just your regular tin. Again, the touch of golden pale and that transparent tin itself. Boy, this is the most elegant studio apartment in the whole of Nakuru and arguably in the whole of Kenya. If there is any other better one, Just show me around. Orthopedic mattress, I told you that. Of course, the Airbnb is called CRG. You know what CRG stands for? Can't rush greatness. But you cannot rush greatness. Greatness comes from within. Like Guinness used to say, greatness comes from within. Let's not forget the side bed drawers. There they are. You have one here and the other one on that end. And of course, from the side bed drawer, that's where you have the switches for these lights, whether for the snake light in the gypsum or for the central chandelier right there. You can just do it from right here. Wow. Now, let me show you more amenities that come with this studio apartment, including a lift. Kuja tuende hivi nje pia nikuambie mambo mengine. But inside, you just don't feel like leaving this place. This is the best of the best. 2,500 shillings only. Best value studio Airbnb apartment. Now, all those words I've said, give it to a musician, aunde script, atoe ngoma for CRG studio apartment. Can't rush greatness. Greatness comes from within. Now, let's talk about the facade and common areas. Now, you come through that gate, you enter this corridor, and you go to your private crib. Very private, by the way. Place itself is beautiful. The glass curtain pale, well done, amazing, gives you amazing views of the surrounding. On the rooftop, I'm told they're going to set up a gym, but there are those that are ready, which are not going to be set up, which is the lounge and also the restaurant. Iko tu hapa ndani. Come, let me show you that one. Our unit is on 4th floor. On 1st floor, you have got the bar, the down lounge. So unaweza shuka, unaenda pale, unapiga kinywaji yako safi. And apart from that, there is the restaurant. So for breakfast, unaenda upande wa restaurant, unakula breakfast, alafu, you continue with the rest of your day. On ground floor, kuna supermarket, the West End supermarket, kopale kwa ground floor. So when you come to the CRG studio, pale ni place ambayo you are in the heart of everything you need. Okay? Kukula, entertainment, and relaxing. Sawa sawa?